Hello, Devin here. I want to show you our new HEX Lock tensioners. So these are our concealed thread tensioners. So you see as we open these up, there's no thread. So even if they're opened up, they're going to look really good on your post. These are designed for a 2-inch steel or aluminum post. And then all you see coming out of the post is this piece here. Our HEX Lock is very simple how this attaches, and it has several benefits. So you slide the cable in all the way like that, use an Allen key, and one of the things we really love about these fittings is to install this. Literally all you need is an Allen key. This is a 3/32 Allen key and a cable cutter, and that's all you need to install these. And you just simply tighten these up. Obviously you can get them a little tighter than this if you to really sink them in there, but you tighten them up. Another benefit that we really like with these is that if you make a mistake on cutting the cable, that's one of the trickiest parts of cable railing is making sure you cut the cable the same, so that all of these, once you're done tensioning these up, again you use an Allen key on this end, hold this still and spin this, and that will pull the cable tight. But at the end, is the trickiest part is having these all be uniform when all of your tensioners are lined up. And so this makes it really simple, because all you do is loosen these up, and then you can pull the cable out again. So show you how that works. Again, these sink in further than that if you tighten them up tighter, but you're able to pull the cable out again, trim it, and reinstall it. So these are very easy to work with, our most forgiving fittings, and they look really nice. And yeah, if you have any other questions or any concerns, we're happy to help you. Give us a call anytime, 801-899-3806. Thanks again.